In this lesson, we'll learn how to greet people and gain some basic knowledge of Chinese. 你好. 你 means you. 好 means good or well. 你好 means I wish you well. 你好 can be used to greet others on all occasions, no matter formal or informal. In diplomatic meetings, in business meetings, in the office, meeting up with friends, talking to strangers, even dating. Then what should we say in return when someone says 你好 to us? It's simple. Just say 你好 as well. 你好, 你好. Did you repeat after me? Or did you just keep silent and listen to me? Please say the phrase out loud. Use it. That's the best way to improve your language skills. These two are Chinese characters. Chinese characters are one of the 3 oldest character systems in the world, and it's the only character system still in use that was created independently of other characters. Actually, they're not so obtuse as they look. They are assembled from different components. Every Chinese character has a pronunciation. In Chinese, each pronunciation is a single syllable, called pinyin. A pinyin syllable has 3 parts. N is the initial, yi is the final, and this little one is a tone. There's always only one initial and one tone in a Chinese syllable. The finals are a little bit complicated. We'll start from pinyin. I suggest you use a little mirror to observe your mouth. The basic finals are a, o, i, u, yu. They're called simple finals. 跟我读. Read after me. A, o, i, u, yu. O sometimes turns into wo when it's spelled with other finals. Looks like the Latin letter E, but pronounced You have to pay attention to yu, as there's no similar sound in English. We can get yu from yi.
First, say yi. Then say the tongue still. Only move lips to round out the mouth. Yi.
You can use 2 index fingers to push the corners of your mouth to round it out. Make sure your tongue stays still. Yi, yu. Let's look at the other character. He is the initial. There are 2 simple finals in this syllable, a and o. Spell them together. Slide from a to o. A, o, ao. 跟我读. Read after me. A, o, ao. Plus a tone. 熬. He, ao, hao. If we want to greet more than one person at the same time, we can say 你们好. 们 means more than one. It's a suffix, has no tone. The sound is short and light. 们, 你们好. There are not really many honorific words in Chinese. The most popular one is 您. 您 is the honorific for both 你 and 你们. If you want to show respect when greeting people, Say 您好 instead of 你好 or 你们好。您好，您好，你好，你们好，您好。All right, see you next time. 再见。